Namaskaram everyone. As part of my 21-day pranic food recipe series, today I wanted to make palak dal and a vegetable stir fry in the pranic method of cooking. So we'll be seeing how to cook this. I have made palak dal and also I have made a vegetable stir fry with sweet potatoes, radish and a little bit of capsicum in the pranic method, and we have made a fresh vegetable salad to go along with rice, and this is our lunch today. If you like it, do let us know. Thank you so much.
Let's take a 3-liter pressure cooker. Let's add a small cup of tuar dal and let's clean them very well, and let's add enough water. Once it is cleaned, let's add water and keep it aside. Now let's take a bunch of palak leaves. I'm going to be adding the whole leaves. I have cleaned them 2 to 3 times. I've rinsed them in water. And I'm adding the entire bunch of leaves on top of the dal. This trick I learned from Ramakrishnan of OPOS group. He always used to say you don't need to chop the greens, and I found this very handy. So once we cook this, we can mash it with a hand blender or using a wooden spatula. So we are adding turmeric powder and pressure cooking this for about 5 to 6 whistles. Now the spinach and the dal is cooked very well. We are gently mixing it with the ladle, and so that all the greens are getting separated.
So we are just pressing it lightly
and mixing it well so that all the greens are
thoroughly.
mashed. I don't want it to be mashed up thoroughly. And so now we are adding enough water according to the consistency, and we'll add a little bit of salt as well and give it a good boil. So now it's boiling well. Meanwhile, let's do the tadka for this. Now we are heating a little bit of coconut oil, a teaspoon or so. And once the oil is heated up, we are adding some mustard seeds, red chilies, and urad dal and cumin seeds. So this is the seasoning for this palak dal. We need to wait for them to crackle. You can add a little bit of ginger as well if you like to add it to this palak dal. I have not added today. So let it crackle and let's pour it on top of the palak dal. And that's it. Palak dal is ready to be served. We can transfer this to a bowl. Now let's see how to make the vegetable stir fry using sweet potatoes, radish and some green bell peppers. So we have cut all of this and adding a little bit of curry leaves as well and washing them thoroughly. Let's heat a pan and add a tablespoon of oil. I have used only cooking oil for this, and once the oil is hot enough, let's add the mustard seeds. And once they crackle, let's add in the urad dal. Now let's add in all the cut vegetables. All these vegetables cook very fast. Sweet potatoes, radish and the green bell pepper cook very fast. We're adding a little bit of turmeric powder and stirring them well. And then we are adding coriander powder and chili powder as well and stirring them. Now let's cook these vegetables for about 5 minutes in high flame only, and then let's turn off the stove. Now we've prepared a raw salad as well with this green sprouts, carrots and cucumber. So this is our lunch today. We'll serve it with hot rice, the palak dal, the stir fry, vegetable stir fry and the salad. So it looks so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskaram.